video is about the audio solution for my smart controller. As you can see, I've modified the aerial and it has alien tech on the top there, and I don't know if you can see this, but there's two connectors and an SD reader. So the HDMI is on the left and the USB is on the right. And what I wanted to do is to make sure that I can talk over any flights or live streams with this controller. The current one at the moment is a hidden microphone somewhere in this region. There's no apparent holes or microphone inputs here. So what I've done is to forego all the onboard microphone and use the USB socket. Now it's a bit of a hindrance with this antenna, so I've got myself a right-handed connector, and I've connected it upwards like this. You can say the same for the HDMI, which is basically the same but with video connections, and that will go somewhere on the top. Or on the top like this. You can see the HDMI is on the left and the USB is on the right. Now I would use because you can actually put a 4G dongle on here. It's very easy to insert and have this connected to do your live streams, but for me the audio is more needing of attention than adding a 4G dongle. And what I've done is just got myself from eBay a USB sound card, and it's microphone and headphone outputs. So you just plug this in, making sure you know which way is which, and then from there on you just put in your microphone. I've got myself a head-mounted microphone, and that seems to work pretty well with this. So I'll just put it into the yellow input and it should be good to go. Okay, we've switched things on, and as you can see it's all connected here, and all I have to do now is to start up on the arcade. I recommend this because for some reason it improves the actual input of this device. I'll just demonstrate. If I just go into on the arcade, tap it on, tap out the messages, and then press the plus sign, and let's just go and record or screen record an audio test. You've got other options like go live and look at your post and other games, because this is a game capture app to stream live, but I'm using this as a drone live stream. Anyway, I'm just going to tap in record, tap DJI Go, and I'll start both DJI Go, and it's poised just to record now. Now if I just talk over this, hello, 1 2 1 2, check 1 2, and then stop it, play back, I'll just go into settings, file manager, video and then go into the screen recordings. This is the latest one we've done. Hello, 1 2 1 2, check 1 2. As you can see, direct sound from this microphone. Just get out of that, and any more recordings, you just need to go into Omlet Arcade and record again. Please like and subscribe to this channel for some more hints and tips. I'll talk to you again. Cheers.